Hi friends, welcome to Govi's Excel Factory. Hope this video finds you and your family happy and healthy. Let's get into our today's video. Today's topic is the issue which is being faced by all the Excel users who use text to column option. So I'll just brief you what is the issue. Everyone would have used text to column option in a sheet, and further whenever you go into next sheet or another workbook, the same set of text to column criteria will be applicable to the column. So this is the issue which you will face. You might not know how to get out of this issue. Today I'll tell you how to get out of this in the same sheet and also in the new workbook. Okay, let's get into our Excel. I have a new sheet ready. In this one, I'll just paste this data, which is a comma separated data, and I'm going to use data text to column option. In text to column option, we are going to go with delimited data. The delimiter is comma. So now you could see the data is now separated into different columns. Give next and finish. Now the data is separated and the text to column criteria is applied to the column A. Now let's go to new sheet. I opened sheet 2 and I have a new data now. I'll just copy this particular data and I'm going to paste this. But if you could see, once I pasted it, it has taken the already applied text to column criteria and it had separated the data into 9 different columns. Let's go to a new workbook. I'm giving Control N. In the new workbook also, I'm going to copy the same data. I'm going to column and paste it. So it is taking the same set of text to column criteria and it is not allowing you to paste the delimited data. So in order to get rid of this issue, just select the column. Only one criteria for this workaround is to have any data. It's not necessarily delimited data or any specific data. It should have any data. It will not accept a empty column. Select that column, go to text to column option, go to the same option, delimited, and here you could see the comma is selected already in the new workbook also. So what you would have to do, just disable this option, click finish. Now I am closing this workbook. It is asking to save or not. I am not saving it. Just select the new sheet and just paste the data. Now you could see the data is pasted with the delimiters. Okay, this kind of issues will happen when you have different sets of delimiters like this. Now I'm copying this data and I am going to the sheet 1 and pasting it over here. Okay, now the data is here, but the delimiter is different. Earlier the delimiter was comma and now the delimiter is hyphen. So what I have to do, text to column, next delimiter is hyphen, next and finish. So this is how you have to work with text to column option. Whenever you face this same issue, just go to your text to column option and disable what you have done and you can go for the new option again. Hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment your queries. Subscribe to the channel for more useful content on the way. Thanks for watching.